For installing an OptiGrid charger at your site, we actually offer a couple different options. We have an option where you would mount the charger to the concrete. And we also offer what we call more of a skid mounted design. So for an option where we mount the charger to the concrete, that's going to look like the unit arrives on site, typically in a crate. And usually the site would have already been prepped, but the prep work is pretty minimal for those types of projects. The customer can choose if they want to do some minor trenching and bring conduit in from underneath the unit, or in certain instances, they can use above ground conduit and not have to do any trenching at all. And so you'd basically have prepped the site with our mounting template, which sits inside the concrete pad. You lay the charger down on top of that concrete pad, you wire in the electrical power from the circuit breaker, and you're up and running. The charger itself is a single integrated unit. It's about 4 feet by 4 feet square and about 8 feet tall. And so it's very compact overall on the site. And it doesn't require any additional hardware behind that. So you can literally wire from your existing service panel directly into our charger. We offer a variety of different options for voltage so that we're compatible with the voltage you're going to already have available at your site, whether that's 483 phase, 208 3-phase, or 240 volt single phase. The battery integrated charger can be delivered on a skid. So what a skid does is it provides a prefabricated base for the unit with clearly defined entry points for the input power. So what that means is you don't need to pour a new concrete pad. You just take the unit off the truck on the skid, place it down on site, wire in the input power, and you're up and running. The skid also provides built-in impact protection. So it'll have bollards installed, and we can also provide an external disconnect or knife switch where basically there's an emergency sort of shut-off functionality provided there. We can have a unit shipped and commissioned within a matter of a couple days. Depends on how ready that customer is and how they intend to install the charger. But again, using our skid mounted design, it provides a lot of flexibility to be able to move quickly. And so a unit could leave our factory and ship to your location and be up and running in a matter of hours.